In this video, we're going to go over 2 more Keto Starbucks drinks, and we might get a little kooky with it and even mix them up. Check it out. Hey everybody, it's Amanda from Local Love, and we are out and about this morning. It's a beautiful day in Orlando, and I hope that you are having a beautiful morning as well. Okay guys, so I'm on my way to Starbucks. We're going to try a couple more keto-friendly drinks today, we're going to let you know what those are in a moment. I mean, what we're shooting for is the white drink and the mocha latte. All right, so we're going to try those. But once I get there, of course, it'll depend on what they actually have available. That's a Starbucks thing. Sometimes you don't, and sometimes you do. Some of you might be wondering, why is my hair out and about and feeling stout today? Well, I'm probably going to put it right back up here in a second. However, you can see it is still very white, except for a couple little patches of blue and purple and pink. So it's time, guys. It is time to pick out a color, and I am going to reach out to you guys to pick out my next color. So what I need you guys to do is follow me on Instagram, and our Instagram is locallove_now, and on Instagram I'll be putting up several color options, and of course you guys can always comment your favorites on something different if you want something that's not in the list, and we'll always throw it in the mix for consideration. All right, if we like the idea, we might repost it with some new options if we like some of the options that we didn't add, as long as we can get the dye for the hair. So we're looking to do the dye, and yeah, something funky, something cool. We'll see what we can find, but the white hair needs to go, right? I'm looking my age. So it's just about time to do that, and we'll be posting that hopefully today. It might already be up, so make sure you check locallove_now. Follow us, and if you're out and about and doing fun stuff here in Orlando or Central Florida or Florida in general, guys, post up your pictures. We want to see you guys rocking it out and having a good time. All right, and I'm on my way to Starbucks now, so let's see what happens. Hey guys, all right, so we've got our order, and unfortunately they no longer carry the skinny mocha, so I couldn't get mocha, but here's what I did get. All right, so okay, for our first drink, guys, I got the it's basically a latte. Okay, it's going to be a cinnamon latte and not a mocha latte like I originally planned, because unfortunately they don't offer the skinny mocha anymore. The only options I had were either vanilla or the cinnamon dolce, which is fire. It's my favorite. All right, so here's what we did. We got an Americano. This is how you order it. You order an Americano, but you ask them to do 3/4 water and the rest as steamed heavy cream. Okay, and then I had them put 4 shots of cinnamon dolce in it, and you can add other sweeteners like stevia if you want. This is pretty strong, so I'm not hating the fact it's strong. Apparently they have 5 shots in it, it says. I didn't ask for 5 shots. Maybe an Americano already comes with shots, and I'm just not smart enough to know that. In the future, I would ask for either more pumps of cinnamon dolce or probably some monk fruit sweetener or some stevia, and it's still going to be keto that way. So roughly this should be about 5 to 6 carbs, probably about 6, because I did get the Vente. I don't know why I took my little sleevey out. Oh, so I could read the thing probably, but there you go. I like it. It's okay. It could be sweeter. All right, so let's go into our second drink. Our second drink is what we call the white drink, right? Okay, so for this one, I was originally going to do the unsweetened peach tea and do the white drink, but they don't offer that anymore, guys. So this is not exactly the white drink, although it does look white. We ordered instead the unsweetened green tea. And then we had them do a splash of heavy cream and 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. So let's give it a try. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, guys, this is so good. Okay. So their green tea has like kind of a minty taste. This is straight up delicious. Very milky though. I don't think they put just a splash in here. That is super refreshing though, guys. It's very minty. It's got like a green tea minty taste. I love this. You know, each of the pumps you do, whether it's sugar-free vanilla or sugar-free cinnamon dolce, are typically about 1 carb. So keep that in mind. Stay away from the whipped cream, guys. It's just not worth it. There's a lot of carbs in there. And I use the heavy cream. Some people like the almond milk, but I've been told that the almond milk at Starbucks may have sugar in it. So keep that in mind. You can do what you want. But literally the only thing in here that has carbs are the heavy cream and the sugar-free vanilla. So we're probably looking at about 5 carbs for this little tall. This is really good. I'm tempted to pour it into my other drink. What do you think, guys? Should we make our own Franken drink? Let's do it. Mix some things that shouldn't be mixed, maybe. This is probably a bad idea because one's hot and one's cold. But I can't figure out a bad solution here. So, because I wasn't feeling this other drink yet. So let's give it a stir and see if it's good. If we created anything delicious. And if so, you'll know how to do your own Franken drink, right? Let's see. I might have made a horrible mistake. Mellowed it out a little. It's not as strong. I don't know. I'm going to just go ahead and pour the rest of it in here, if I can fit it. Franken drink. No, I hadn't thought of that. Maybe we'll do one where we mix drinks. What do you guys think? Oh, there we go. It's all in there. Let's give it another little zhuzh. It's very full. I need to put the lid back on before something bad happens. Because what's been done has been done at this point. And we're committed to this coffee now. So let's see if it's any better. It's probably cooler. It's pretty warm before. Honestly, it mellows it out a little. I don't hate it. But I wouldn't want to pay for both. So I got something else that I had never tried before here. Now, I've tried their egg bites before, but I have never tried the kale and portobello mushroom egg bites. So let's give it a try. This is what it looks like. I mean, it smells pretty good, honestly. And I do like their egg bites. This is delicious. Let's just open it up. I don't want to dump my other one here. And that's what it looks like. Pretty delicious, yeah? Ooh, let's give it a try. Oh, man. Oh, I like this one. These are good, guys. So kale and portobello mushroom, there's no meat in this. I mean, it's still eggs, though, so it's not vegan. Vegetarian. Very good. And my favorite thing about them is that you get 2. These are really, really good, guys. I think that they are worth it. You can do these at home so easy, though. In fact, I think I might try to recreate some because these are too dang good. Very good. And it doesn't tell you what kind of cheese is in it. At least I didn't see it anywhere. And I'm not a big kale person, but you can't even taste this kale. It's really good. You just taste mushrooms and cheese and eggs. Winner, winner. So this is the first thing I've eaten today. And I'm not mad at it. All right. So yeah, we're just going to sit here and drink our new concoction. Oh yeah, I think it's a little better. I can taste that mint a little. I liked it, the mint one, or the green tea one better by itself, but this other drink was not quite for me. If it had had some sweetener, some extra sweetener, it would have been great. But I think there's too many shots in this because it says 5 shots on the side. I only asked for 1 extra shot. I don't know if Americanas automatically come with shots, and maybe that's where I messed up. So if I'd have known that, I would have only ordered it as it came. So there's that. Okay. But yeah, overall, guys, these are keto, and I hope that you found them delicious when you try them. Make sure you give them a try and see what you think. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at, guys. And other than that, I just want to thank you guys as always for watching. And if you have any keto drinks from any place, maybe we'll do a Dunkin' Donuts one day, or maybe McDonald's. There are ways of doing these things. Let me know what you want to see. Just comment down below, and thank you for joining us. Excuse me. Thank you for joining us. We certainly appreciate it. And other than that, guys, peace. I'll see you soon.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.